Guys, my name is Tosin. If you are seeing me for the first time, welcome to my channel. On this channel I talk about makeup, I talk about beauty, inspiration, lifestyle content, and maybe fashion. I do some reviews here and there and many vlogs. Yeah, so today I'm just going to be doing like a very quick makeup to show you guys what my makeup has been like since I got back from law school. I mean, most of 2020 was a pandemic year and we weren't going out as much. I discovered that I didn't really do a lot of makeup on myself. The few times I did makeup, it was for Instagram. It wasn't because I was even going anywhere, and the makeup was really different, you know, mask and everything, like so. Now I have like a different kind of way I do my makeup, and I just wanted to show you guys. So let's get started. Hi guys. Okay, so I just got out of the bathroom, and after patting my face dry, I go straight into moisturizing. Today is the first of many days to come. Why did I say that? So I'm going out today for like publicity, marketing, something of that sort for my brand named Quick. Let me show you. Yeah, so that's what I'm going for, and I just want to get my makeup done, starting out with this moisturizer from Cosmetics. I'm going to moisturize my skin because I have combination skin, but because I might be entering a lot of AC places today I'm kind of going on an official assignment. You know, I am the one sending myself on this official assignment because it's my brand. Yeah. So my brows, you guys, I don't know, I haven't trimmed my brows in a really long time, and that's because let me stop scratching my eyes. Oof. Okay, and that's because I'm mostly not on makeup. So, well, sharpen my pencil. Can you guys see it? Yeah, and I'm just going to fill in these brows real quick. So I kind of just go lower a little bit because, like I said, I've not been shaping my brows. So I need to give the illusion of structure, because it's not even structured in any way. The brows are everywhere, like they're just everywhere. Look at this pimple. When did this come? Like I literally just say I want to film today, and then a pimple will just appear. Okay, and this too, bro. Come on. All right. Yeah. This was going on. You guys, I'm so sorry to disappoint you, but the only time I put in effort into brows is on my clients. You see, on myself, nah, I would do no such thing. So I'm just going to brush this in just to make it look a little blended. Then, oh well, this thing is happening again. The beginning of these ones are so sparse, I have to fill them in sometimes. Now it's too filled in. Don't worry, you need to trust me. Trust me, okay? There was too much space there. I had to fill it in. So now we're going to concealing. Let's show you guys classic glue, right? Just a little bit of it. Don't gotta put too much. A little on the brows. just going to brush this into place like this. Can you see? Laid right. So I'm going to be using this Ezekiel Second Skin Concealer. Let me tell you something before you shout. It's not exactly my shade. I mean, the undertone, there's something off about it, but I like it because it's blendable. So I'm still going to use it like that. You get. Should I conceal the top or not? Okay. I mean, you're not supposed to use the same concealer for the top and the bottom, but I know how to blend, so I do that. And because I'm a lazy girl, so don't follow me. See how easy that one was. So what's wrong with this particular brow? Why? Okay, so done with my brows. I'm going to blend them out, don't worry. But in the meantime, I'm just going to create a base for an eyeshadow that I'm not even going to do this, right? And I'm just going to use that same hand to put concealer under my eyes. You guys, this is not the makeup I do on my clients. This is for myself. My day-to-day makeup. So I think it would be very unfair for you to judge my makeup skills through this nonsense that you are watching. You are only seeing this because you are a watcher of my channel. I mean, if you're getting trained by me or whatever, you're not going to see this ever. Like, yeah. So kind of done here. So what I'm going to do now is just go into my foundation. You guys, I have been using different foundations. I don't know, like this thing happens to me every once in a while where I don't just like any foundation. To me, they all seem to be off. They're just not like my tone, my undertone or whatever. Like, it annoys me, but I don't know. I think it's maybe when my skin gets, is it lighter or darker? Recently, I went back to guess Mary Kay because, like I said, I was having emotional issues with my foundations. For myself, oh, not for my clients. Again, oh my god, I have to keep making this distinction. Now, what I do is mix this Mary Kay, this Ezekiel. I mix it with this Mary Kay. And this Ezekiel is in Ezekiel Tan 04. And this one is in Bronze W140. So this is what works for me right now. I don't know, the next time you guys watch me do my makeup, it might not be like that. So I just mix it on my brush because when I'm going out, I'm always scared of getting makeup on my clothes. So I try to keep mixing away from me as much as possible. Just mix it here. So I'll just start from like here. I don't even know. Is this okay? So I'll just build it up, kind of. And trust me, I don't use a lot of foundation, no, you guys. Honestly, if I can get a BB cream that is nice, I would use that over foundation. I'm one of those people that doesn't like foundation. This is so sheer, like, I can't be bothered though. Can't be bothered to wear more foundation than necessary. See this side? See my mixture? See this side? See this side? Can you see? So let's move it up here. blend my mustache area. I think I need to add a little bit more foundation because my forehead hasn't been touched, and that forehead is a betrayer. It's always so dark. Okay, I'm done with my foundation. So what I usually just do is put some setting powder underneath my eyes so that it looks a little bit brighter than the rest of the face. I don't really want to use any concealer extra. I think it's just a waste of my products. So I just always do liner. Oh my god, there was a time in my life where this would be my winged liner time, and I just do like a winged liner and stuff, but not anymore. Ain't nobody got time for that. Maybe once in a while, but not regularly anymore. So I just do my short liner. Like, you guys know I have hooded eyes, like super hooded eyes. I just like to do the outer corner actually. Under eye mascara. Oops, focus. Davis pencil. I overlined by mistake, but looks cute. So I'm going to use it like that. So that's all. Oh, that's not all though, sorry. And just clean the lip balm off. Oops, clean my lip liner. They're ready. There's this Zara cosmetic lip gloss that I think is a total must have, like this one. That one. So cute, you guys. So that's the one. I mean, it's nude, but it's sheer, and that's all I do. This clear lip gloss must come on top because I'm an alasheju. So I usually just use it on top of the liner. I need to get another one going on. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I barely ever contour when I'm rushing out. I don't have time, but I'll just take my contour brush that always has like residue product on it anyways and just sweep, just to try. Just let me just not, let's not be like I not try. Yeah, so just try. So now I'm going to just use that my foundation brush again to like sweep up the excess powder on my face, and like, you guys see that I didn't use powder for this look, right? That's because me and powders are, we don't really gel, you know, because powders kind of give me this dried look that I don't always like, so I avoid it. God, it's time to go, I'm late. Okay, so this milk highlighter, it was a gift, you guys, from Beauty Connoisseur. Can you imagine that? Like, and I love it so much. Like, I love it so much. So just Can you see? Is this thing capturing my glow? It's not. Can you see that? So yeah, this one I don't play with because, you know, rich auntie vibes requires popping glowy skin. So yeah, I'm done. So I'm just going to finish up. This is just normal rose water, you guys, from Gunu, and I'm going to spray it. All right, let me dress up and then I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. I really need to get like hair serum or something. Like, I have nothing to take care of my hair with, and it's becoming obvious. What do you think? Which one? This one or this one? I think I'll go with this shirt, because why would I pick discomfort over comfort? Who does that? Maybe I should just wear the heels. Oh. What to do? What do you guys think? I mean, I would have left before this video even comes out. So the decision is still mine to make. But okay, bye. I was rushing out and I forgot to film an outro. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you learned one or two things, please leave a comment down below so I would know what exactly resonated with you. Give this video a thumbs up and please share with your friends and loved ones. Have a lovely day. Bye.